Hi guys, it's Jonathan from Train, and this is a quick video just to chat a wee bit about progression within the band hypertrophy program, and also how I would recommend that you log and record your workouts. So the first thing is, training with bands is a little bit different than training with dumbbells or barbells, because the progress that we're going to look for within this program is written into the plan. So week one, what I would expect is it's going to take a little bit of time for you to play about with the different tensions of the band, different setups to find the right level for you. Now, any particular resistance band, so for example, this one, if I'm going to do a bicep curl, then I can start with my hands fairly high up on this band. Now, if this feels too easy, I can start to work the hands down the band. If it's getting to the point that your hands are halfway down the band, I would move up in resistance, so move to the purple one. But you've got a bit of a range of resistance within this, from between here and here. Same kind of idea if you're doing an exercise like a lateral raise, and you've got it stuck in the door and you're having to move further and further and further away, it might be an idea to move the resistance of the band up. In terms of logging your workout, now I'm just going to give an example here. Excuse my terrible handwriting, right? But this would be an example of a workout including bands. So I will write out the training exactly the same way as it is within your training plan. So A1, A2, B1, B2, the name of the exercise, the color of the band, and at the top here, 3 sets of 8 to 12. So the purpose of doing that, one, it's motivation. If you look back across 12 weeks, even across a month, and you can see progression, then it's highly motivational. The other thing is it's just memory. It makes it quicker. If you're coming up to your second chest and bicep workout and you've written down what you've done on week one, that's maybe taking you 10 or 15 minutes to set up, you're straight in. You know what resistance you're going to start with. And in week two of the plan, week 2 and week 3, you're going to find that you could probably stick with the same level of resistance as week 1, but we have that rest pause coming in week 2, and the rest pause and the drop set in week 3. And it's the same idea when we get to week 6, week 7, week 8 of the program. So that's it really. Progression is going to happen not so much as trying to increase the band resistance every week, although if you can do that, then great. But just remember, this isn't a strength program. This isn't a program that's designed for us to go from week 1, week 2, increase in weight, week 3, and we can actually get progressions through changing our sets, through changing the intensity, which is why we've got these rest pause, we've got the drop sets. So things will get more challenging week to week, but that doesn't have to happen in terms of the band resistance itself. And I highly recommend that you find your own system to record your workouts, but buy a notepad, even an A4 bit of paper or a spreadsheet in your phone. Make sure that you're recording your sessions and where you're at. I hope that helps, and all the best.